Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about PatPat app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and then you will update your app on Play Store or App Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.